Hey guys, this is the Minwax Color Match Wood Putty. This particular color that we're looking at right now is white. I got it for some projects that I was working on. I didn't read what I was actually buying to make sure I was getting the right stuff. I was actually looking for a wood filler. This stuff itself is actually a putty. So you can see, kind of, you scoop this stuff out. I mean, probably use a putty knife. But what it's for is actually to like fill holes after you already have your stains and everything done. So it's a color match, and it matches really good with the Minwax colors themselves. So if you were, say, working on a wood project, like, or on your flooring or something, and you use this particular color to stain, and you could go back with this stuff and just kind of smear it over the holes to fill them in. Any extra holes you might have had or something that came up, you can just use it and fill them in. So this stuff does not harden, it stays pliable, and it smooths in small imperfections. So that's what it's made for. So don't think you're gonna sand it, which is what I thought. So just to fill in like small nail holes, things like that. Again, this is the white one. So if you're looking for something that you can sand, you would want a different product. But for the Minwax finish, stain, imperfections, whatever, putty, this is a really good stuff. Like I said, it wasn't what I was looking for, but I actually ended up using it anyways, and it did a better job for my particular project. So just wanted to give you a quick heads up and let you know what you were getting, but it is a good product.